The British pound is having a bit of a comeback following last week's severe slide. What's next for the pound against the dollar and as well against the euro? Stick around to find out. Alright, so the pound versus the dollar is moving slightly upwards today, which makes perfect sense because, you know, we had a severe drop here from the 1st of September, a bit of a correction, move to the downside. This was primarily fueled by strength of the US dollar, but then as we know, the UK government is looking to introduce legislation that is going to circumvent some of the things that the UK agreed with the EU when they freely entered into the agreement to leave the EU. So it is an issue because effectively it tells the EU, you can't trust the UK if they go ahead with this, and that the UK as well is willing to break international agreements. So what's going to happen here then? Well, it just reduces the likelihood of having a nice, good trade deal by the end of the year. And that is why people are selling the pound as well. People think now that the Bank of England is going to lower interest rates to 0 by February 2021 and then negative in 2021 because people are effectively pricing in a worsening economic conditions in the UK as they effectively think we might not have a good deal. So does this mean we can just sell? No, it means that we could sell and probably should look into sell, but we need to make sure we do it from the right levels. So in the very short term, the price slid sharply and then here created this high on September 10th. Now this high is an interesting level. The same level here used to support price in most of August and now is limiting price. And now we're going upwards and we might go up to 129.45, and then from this level I suspect the reselling will resume and we're probably going to go back down to the low, and then we'll see if we're going to break and trade much lower, because what's happened here is that we are about to reach support. So the first level of support is the last week's low, followed by 126.42, and then you have 125.10. Those are the different levels I'm looking at right now. As well, if you step back a bit and look at it from the big picture, if we get rid of everything, you can see that this level's really capped price, and it's happened before. So we went down each time that happened, and I think it's likely that, yeah, we might go up a bit, but ultimately the way the technicals are telling us and the way the news flows is happening right now, we can probably see more weakening. What can change this then? What could change this is, of course, if the UK does agree not to implement the new law and then effectively sticks to the rules, and then hopefully the UK and EU can agree on a future trade agreement. But it's going to be interesting, and politically it is a bit difficult for PM Johnson. Why? Because apparently they already knew that this was going to cause problems when they signed the deal a couple of months ago, and now of course they're trying to move back to try to change that. We'll see what happens in the Brexit drama. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. As well, there should be a little video popping up soon that takes you to more research that we produced. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.